Welcome to StudyGuide. This guide is about the new product introduction, product lines, and product mix. Today we will learn the following. 1. To understand what is a product line and its relevance in product management. 2. To understand how product line can be managed. 3. To understand difference between product mix and product line concepts in product line management. An essential component of the marketing mix of 4P is the product. To serve a wide range of customers, a business needs a variety of products. The product mix refers to the assortment of goods that the company offers. This product mix could include different product lines or particular products. A company's product mix is described as being wider the more lines and products it has. A product line is a collection of products that are related to one another because they frequently serve the same types of customers. Depth in a product line refers to the quantity of products at various price points. When deciding whether to remove or introduce a product, several decisions must be made. When introducing or removing products, important factors must be taken into account. Products can be increased, decreased, or kept at the same level as currently available products. The contribution margin is a crucial factor to take into account when choosing a product because it determines whether the choice will help the business achieve its goals for sales and profitability. Decisions on the marketing mix elements include choices regarding the product, price, promotion, and distribution methods. Since they have an impact on the company's market planning, we can say that decisions regarding the product are among the most crucial. The company may suffer irreparable damage if the incorrect products are released onto the market. Computers, for instance, may not be at all appropriate for low-income, rural areas without access to electricity. Likewise, trying to sell products to customers without taking into account their cultural values and needs can have a negative impact on both sales and the accomplishment of business goals. Today's markets, however, are a complex mixture of customer needs and aspirations, making decisions more difficult because the customer's needs fall somewhere between his aspirations and his need for a product. Thus, in an effort to satisfy the needs and aspirations of his target market, the marketer frequently launches a number of products. Decisions about product modification depend on how closely an organization must adhere to a standard product or how far it must move away from innovation. There is a wide range of potential outcomes for various products between extension and innovation. The cost of an organization's products decreases as it gets closer to innovation, while it increases as it gets closer to extension, making decisions or introduction more expensive. Decisions about the physical product and product line management are central to decisions about product modification. Product line is defined as a group of products that are closely related to each other. They function in the same manner and are sold to the same customer groups. These products are marketed from the same types of outlets and fall within a specified price range. The product line has. Line depth refers to the number of product variants in a line. Line consistency refers to how closely related the products that make up the line are. The percentage of a line's sales or profits that come from just a few of its products is referred to as line vulnerability. A company would ideally like to generate an equal amount of sales from each product, but frequently one or two products perform significantly better and as a result account for a significantly higher percentage of sales. The business must determine whether other products that don't contribute much to sales are still contributing to margin. If not, they should consider why they continue to offer such products in their lineup. Product line decisions. Since products in some way satisfy customer needs and aspirations, any modification to either or both of these will result in modifications to the product specifications. The introduction of new products and their removal from the market are both influenced by this change. Hence, three categories can be used to broadly group product line decisions: product withdrawal, demise, increase in products, item contribution. Next important aspect is product mix. Product mix. The full range of products that a company offers is referred to as its product mix. Product lines and individual products make up the product mix. For instance, the product mix of a college is made up of all the courses it offers. A product line is made up of the courses in the marketing department, and a single product is the foundational marketing course. Product decisions are typically made at one of two levels: decisions that involve changes in the product mix, such as the addition, removal, or expansion of the range of products, take place over time. The depth of the product mix refers to the number of product items offered within each line. The width refers to the number of product lines a company has. Other ideas in a product mix include family branding, which is the practice of selling a group of products under the same brand name. A product line extension occurs when we add a new product to an existing line. Trading up or brand leveraging refers to the addition of a line extension that is higher quality than the other products in the line. Trading down is the process of adding a line extension that is lower quality than the other products in the line. there is a possibility that trading down will result in less brand equity. If we are not careful about how we use this lower quality, priced product, it may help us with sales in the short term but hurt the brand in the long run. High-profile products within a line that set the tone for the entire line are known as image anchors. Image anchors are typically from the line's upper range. Therefore, when the company promotes them, their values spread to products further down the range, which improves how customers perceive these products. As a result, when a car company advertises a particular model, it always includes the caveat that not all accessories are included as standard equipment. This promotes sales of the car's entry-level models. Line filling is the process of adding a new product to an incomplete line that falls within its current range. Price lining is the practice of using a small range of prices for all of your product options. The underlying justification is that potential customers view these sums as appropriate price points for a variety of product. It has the benefit of being simple to administer, but the drawback of being rigid, especially during periods of inflation or fluctuating prices. The full range of products that a company offers is referred to as its product mix. For instance, the product mix of a college is made up of all the courses it offers. A product line is made up of the courses in the marketing department, and a single product is the foundational marketing course. Product decisions are typically made at one of two levels: decisions that involve changes in the product mix, such as the addition, removal, or expansion of the range of products, take place over time. The depth of the product mix refers to the number of product items offered within each line. The width refers to the number of product lines a company has. Other ideas in a product mix include family branding, which is the practice of selling a group of products under the same brand name. Product mix management and responsibilities. Any organization must prioritize having a carefully managed product mix. The combination of product lines that the company offers is considered in product mix decisions. Top management is in charge of overseeing the company's product mix. Choosing a basic product mix includes reviewing the mix of existing product lines, adding new lines to and deleting existing lines from the product mix, determining the relative emphasis on new versus existing product lines in the mix, determining the appropriate emphasis on internal development versus external acquisition in the product mix, gauging the effects of adding or deleting a product line in relationship to other lines in the product mix, and forecasting the effects of future external change on the company's product mix. Withdrawing products. As much planning goes into the introduction of a new product as it does for product withdrawal. Businesses incorporate the date of a product's withdrawal into their business plans and tie it to the launch of a new product, even though businesses would prefer that the decision to discontinue a product be deliberate. There are times when competitive pressures force businesses to do so, or when a product's sales fall so low that it makes no sense to keep it on the market. The demise of the product can also be attributed to environmental changes, including customer attitudes and needs, which have been hastened by market forces like competition and the introduction of new technology, etc. Because an existing product has already gained market acceptance and is well established, product withdrawal, even when planned, carries its own risks. The business is making some sales and profits as a result. Given that customers are already aware of the product, it is likely that by this point the costs associated with its development have been recouped and that little money is required for its support. The business has also gotten better at producing and marketing the product. The company will need to launch a replacement product after it is withdrawn. There is a risk in introducing this new product because it is unknown how it will perform in the market. The business will have to invest significant funds to market this new product and increase sales sufficiently to cover the costs of development. To understand the product and its advantages, it will be necessary to retrain the workforce and the sales channel, which will cost money. We won't know for sure how consumers will react to this new product until the market's performance actually demonstrates it. The following must be considered by the company if it intends to withdraw a product in a planned manner. Has the product generated the sales and profits necessary to support its business goals? Can the product maintain its current success in the face of competition and a shifting market? Does the product have the financial capacity to support the marketing efforts being made to promote it? Does the existence of the product help the company's other products sell even though it is not profitable? Does the business have a product that can take this product's place? The business should consider repositioning this product. Is it cost-effective for the business to do so? Is the product's removal mandated by business strategy? To decide whether the business should fill the void left by this product, analysis of these issues as well as an understanding of the underlying market and consumer needs are crucial. Thus, it is clear that discontinuing a product requires just as much work as introducing a new one, and that both actions are connected to the company's business strategy and the launch of a new product. New product introduction. The natural progression from a product withdrawal is the introduction of a new product. Only a certain number of products can be supported by a company with finite resources. As a result, as newer products are released, older ones must be phased out to make room for them. A product line can introduce new products in a number of ways, one of which is stretching the product line. Stretching is the term for a product that extends past its current price range. A company's product line might include a selection of the goods available across the industry as a whole. This could include prices in the low, medium, and high ranges. Honda's Accord, Civic, City, and Jazz models, listed in order of highest to lowest price, serve as an illustration. The very high and very low segment, however, are not included in this range. 3 strategies exist for extending the product line. Stretching down. If the company adds a product at a price point below the Honda Jazz model, it will mean a downward stretching of the product line. Many businesses expand their product lines downward after launching their products at the higher end of the market's price spectrum. They act in this way due to they attempt to launch a lower-end product in response to attacks in their current upper price segment. They attempt to fill an open price point before rivals can, to produce more products in order to increase their market share, to defend against the assault of cheaper copies being produced by other manufacturers. The issues with a downward stretch are as follows. The competition might respond by moving into the company's upper price range. The company's sales force and dealers may not be able to handle a low price segment through their current sales channel. The sales of goods from the upper segment may be reduced as a result of the low-end price products eating into those sales. 2. Stretching upwards. If the company adds a product above the Honda Accord, then it would mean stretching upwards the product line. Again, many companies find it more convenient to commence their business at the middle of the price range segment as it gives a reasonable balance of volumes and margins. Later, they enter the upper price segments. I'm doing this for the following reasons. The higher margins in the higher price ranges are what draw them in. With this more expensive product, they hope to project a refined image of their business. In order to reach all market segments, they want to finish the company's product line. 3. Two-way stretch. Sometimes companies that introduce products in the middle price ranges decide to stretch their products simultaneously in the lower and upper ranges. This is a two-way stretch. The product line's two-way stretch is due, in part, to the following factors: to simultaneously target several markets, to keep rival businesses out of the markets where the company operates, to simultaneously assess the state of each market. These are some of this strategy's drawbacks. Existing customers of the business occasionally choose to purchase its less expensive goods. As a result, sales of the current product suffer. Customers may switch to other brands as a result of customers looking at the company's new products and doing so by comparing them to those of competitors. Products in higher category sales are shifted to products with lower prices. Subscribe to our channel for more. Stay tuned.